is one of the three techniques which is used at the SSB for recommending the candidates for becoming officers in the defense forces. Okay, as far as I am concerned, it is the simplest of the thing because you are not competing with anybody. It is one versus one, and it is all talking about yourself in an informal way. But this informal chat has a purpose, and that is the interviewing officer will assess you for the OLQs for which you are being tested. So, some do's and don'ts. When you enter, you must go confidently, go with a smile. Stand by the side of the chair, keep your arms by your side, don't become defensive. Make sure that you wish correctly as per time of the day. That is the first thing you are going to speak. There is a little bit of nervousness, but don't go at 10 o'clock and say, good evening sir, oh, good afternoon sir. Make sure you are confident, wish. Once you are asked to sit down, give a big thank you, a smile and sit down. When you sit down, sit towards the back of the chair. The chair will have a backrest. So try to keep your back as straight as possible. The chair will also have an armrest. Therefore, feel comfortable if you want to keep your arms on the rest. Fine if you want to keep them on your lap. Fine, however you feel comfortable. Keep them there. The important thing now is that once you have settled down, you must maintain eye contact. You must keep looking into the eyes of the interviewing officer throughout the interview. The questions which are called the CIQs are going to be clubbed, which means that 5-6 questions will be asked together in one go. So now first you have to remember the questions, and second thing is that you have to answer the questions. Now the important thing here is that the assessment and marks is given based on the input or the details you provide. A lot of questions will have suffix, okay, give reasons, how, why, but even if it is not there, from your point of view, you presume that you have to give the maximum details and don't think ये तो सबको पता होगा. You give details, but remember one thing, that the details should be relevant to the questions asked. वो ईस्ट पूछ रहा है, आप नॉर्थ बोल रहे हो, that is not expected. But whatever you know about the east, then you should keep giving that information in detail. Do not tell lies. If you don't know something, acknowledge it. Sir, I'm sorry, I don't recollect. I'll update myself. But once again, important thing is that before you go for the final interview, you must update yourself on the questions asked. You must update yourself on the questions asked. Maybe you are asked the same question in the final interview, and if you answer them, your prospects of getting recommended do go. Okay, the basic thing is that since we are testing your thought process, we cannot see inside your mind, so your thoughts are coming out in form of words. So whatever you speak is going to be taken for granted. That is what you are thinking. Okay, so make sure that when you speak what you mean. Here I would like to emphasize, it is not necessary to strain your mind unnecessarily for the right word or the right sentence in English. If you are stuck anywhere, go ahead in Hindi,